Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a heart shake effect by using keyframes on CapCut. So first, you need to add your clip to CapCut and add a keyframe at the beginning of the clip and zoom in the clip like this and add another 3 keyframes after the first one. 1, 2, and 3, and then the last one at the end like this. Go to the first keyframe and move the clip to the left like this, and then for the second keyframe, move the clip down and to the right like this, and then the third keyframe, move the clip down then to the left. Okay, go to the last keyframe and zoom out the clip to its original position. Okay, and then after that, go to animation in and select the shake tree animation. Okay, this one, and adjust it for 0.1 seconds. Click on a check icon and go to the video effects, nightclub, and then select the shake effect, and then adjust the effect like this. So the speed 10, then intensity around 20. Okay, like this. Click on the check icon and make the effect half of the clips, and then copy the effects, put it for the other half. Okay, like this. And then for the second effect, adjust the effect, the intensity and speed to 10, and click on the check icon, and now you are done with the heart shake effect. So the clips will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.